Hi everyone, in this video we're going to do a quick review and demo on this vacuum sealer machine from Momoda. If you want to cut down on food waste or looking for ways to make small packages on food you buy in bulk, then this is something that you may want to add in your kitchen gadget. Inside the box, you'll have a vacuum sealer that comes with a complete starter kit, which is fantastic as it will let you get a feel of what package you'll need and you can quickly try the product. Inside the box is a 5-piece of 6.7 by 9.8 inches one-time use and 5-piece of 10.2 by 11 inches reusable vacuum bags. It also comes with 100-piece plastic gloves to make sure you are not contaminating the food you are preparing, plus this vacuum sealer machine. It also comes with a small user manual and of course your power plug and your canister vacuum hose. This machine has an 80 kilopascal suction power. This will ensure that it gets every last bit of air out of the bag to keep your food fresher for significantly longer period. It has dual heating to make sure that you get an airtight seal every time. It also have an LED view window that will allow you for real-time monitoring of the sealing process. And also a built-in cutter to help you create custom sizes and make straight cuts. It has different modes. You have seal only, pulse, you have dry, moist, moist plus, and soft food. So this will accommodate meat and dry foods. And this external vacuum hose is going to allow you to remove the vacuum out of this bag. And this is a reusable bag, so you can reuse this many times. And inside your vacuum sealer is a removable dip tray. So this is gonna make your cleaning a lot easier. So let's go ahead and do a quick demo on this product so you can see how easy it is to use it. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna try to use this resealable bag and see how it works. And I don't have a meat to seal, so we're going to seal a couple of breads, okay? So you wanna close this. And then we'll just put this thing here. So you just wanna push this completely. And when you're using this, you want to click on the food multiple times, okay? So if you look here, I'm not sure if you can see this in the camera. You have dry, moist, moist plus, soft, and when you click one more, a canister is going to show up here. There you go. So once the canister shows up, you should be able to use this, okay? So let me go ahead and you just want to hold this right here on the blue dot and you want to click start. Okay, so the sealing is done and here's your soft bread. So let me go ahead and open this and let's try the other bag. Let's go ahead and do it this way so we can see the progress. And let me remove this. So to open this thing, you just want to press the button on both sides. And this is going to open up. And then, if you see these two clips right here, you just want to put this thing right on the clip. Okay, so this is what's going to make sure that it is aligned properly and that it'll do the vacuum and seal. And if you have any moist food, the moisture are gonna go on this tray right here so you can clean it up after. So let me go ahead and close this. For soft bread, I would suggest that you use pulse so you can control how much vacuuming you want to do. But this time, let's go ahead and try the soft option, okay? And let's see how it will do it. And then I'll click start. And it'll do the countdown. And it's done. So you just want to go open it up, and now you have a nice tight seal. So I guess next time I'll use the pulse option, because this thing actually squished the bread really tight. But this is really nice. Look at this. So this vacuum sealer is a nice way to preserve your food in small portions, so you can easily grab what you need. And also you can store the food for a much longer period if you have it vacuum sealed. It's also a good way to lock in the flavors, as it will force the meat to absorb all the marinade juices, which will make your food tastier. So if you're looking to elevate your food preservation game and simplify your meal prep, I highly recommend checking this out. I will place the product link on the description and on the comment section. If you enjoyed this review, please hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and let me know in the comments below what's your favorite food to vacuum seal. Thank you for watching.